In the realm of trading competitions, one competition has been revered by ICT as the pinnacle of trading prowess, the Robbins World Cup. But the truth behind this celebrated contest is far from what it seems. ICT, a self-proclaimed trading expert, has long championed the Robbins World Cup as the gold standard of trading, but the reality is quite different. The competition, lacking live streaming and third-party verification, opens the door to a host of potential manipulations. Cheating becomes a possibility, multiple accounts, team trading, reckless maneuvers, and trading in both directions. The integrity of the playing field is called into question. And what of ICT's supposed mentor, Larry Williams, a trader embroiled in legal troubles over misleading claims? His involvement in the Robbins World Cup, opening multiple accounts, casts a shadow over his trading notoriety. In 2017, ICT took to Twitter, boldly declaring that failure to win the FX division of the Robbins World Cup would expose him as a fraud. Promises of participation every year followed suit, only to dissolve into thin air. But the story takes an intriguing turn. Vinny E. Mini, a pro trader and coder, was messaged by an enigmatic Instagram account, Hypothetical. Initially posing as a fan, the account eventually revealed itself to be ICT, name-dropping Chelsea Robbins, daughter of Joel Robbins, president of Robbins Trading. A connection insinuated, but what lies beneath? ICT vehemently claims to have never entered the Robbins World Cup, but the truth reveals a different tale. Joel Robbins himself has verified that ICT blew his Robbins account not once, not twice, but 3 times, year after year. The facts paint a stark contrast to the narrative presented. Curiously, while boasting of his trading abilities, ICT has never graced the leaderboard of the Robbins World Cup. His claims of effortless victory are left unfulfilled, leaving doubts in their wake. And the pattern continues. ICT has consistently declared, publicly, that he would enter the Robbins World Cup if someone else took the plunge first. Yet when pro trader and FinTwit icon Tom Dante took ICT up on the offer and actually placed on the Robbins World Cup leaderboard, ICT was nowhere to be seen once again. So Vinny E. Mini stepped forward and boldly announced his entry into the Robbins with $50,000 in December 2022, and ICT once more retreated into silence, ignoring his own challenge. Tonight, we expose the enigma surrounding the Robbins World Cup, a trading competition tainted by the specter of ICT's manipulation and undisclosed truths. ICT's wild claims and scandalous actions beg scrutiny, raising doubts about his credibility, confirming that he cannot trade his way out of a wet paper bag, and revealing his phony narrative. This video only scratches the surface of ICT's unwillingness and inability to trade and puts yet another nail in the coffin, further proving that he is a fraud. Stay one step ahead and protect yourself from ICT's lies by watching our many other expose videos on our playlists unmasking ICT's proven fraud and web of deceit. Stay tuned for episode 145, where we unveil more of ICT's intentionally conniving trickery.